escape to a serene and peaceful property nestled on 17 acres of lush landscape, featuring a picturesque pond that creates a sense of tranquility and calm. The home boasts 5 spacious bedrooms, 3 baths, and spacious living space. Additional features include a gourmet kitchen, complete with ample counter and cabinet space, bar height seating, and a spectacular walk-in pantry. The property also includes several outbuildings, including a metal building and an attached garage with washer and dryer hookups. With its metal roof, hardwood floors throughout, and recent HVAC updates, this incredible property is a rare find. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.